So we all know that Claude Design has been the headlines for a while, and I think just recently come out about a couple of weeks ago. So I think now a lot of people are creating videos on how it can actually replace Figma, Lovable, Canva, and like many more on these designs, right? So you can create a full slide deck PPT just on by giving Claude Design all the inputs that you require, and it just creates this in like minutes, right? You can give it all the designs, so you would need to go to design system, answer some of the questions that it's going to ask. So you provided all the brand guidelines, the logos, everything that you would want, so that your colors, your fonts, your size, everything remains the same. Then it gives you a much better output. So we can see that one was the slide deck. It also can create prototypes that we can just upload this onto maybe Claude Code. We can even download it, maybe put it on Canva as an HTML, and many more we can download it as. I've also created an animation motion video with Claude Design. Let's just take a look at it.
Your best marketing ideas shouldn't die at 5 p.m. Welcome to Agent Minds, where we build AI agents that work while you sleep. Capture, enrich, and route leads in seconds. Our agents update your CRM and notify your team instantly, connecting to your entire stack in minutes. Scale operations by 60% with productivity that is always trending up. Find decision makers in 60 seconds and generate monthly content calendars overnight. Stop managing workflows and start mastering outcomes. AgentMinds.ai.
Yeah, so isn't this really neat? So I've done this on Canva where I've got an audio also to be added. But yeah, just the motion graphics image. What I did was step by step, let me just kind of tell you. I went onto YouTube, looked at all the motion animation ones on that are available, looked at the ones that I liked, put it onto Gemini, ask it to transcribe and give me a breakdown by scene, and every second on what the motion, animation and graphics look like for these sample videos that I liked. Once I got that ready, I gave it to Claude Design to just write it. So I just put a project name, I click create. Once I did that, I pasted in the prompt. I went back and forth a couple of times, but that's about it. Whole thing was ready in less than half an hour for me. I would say even less than that. It can actually be done in about 10 to 15 minutes once you provided all the context examples all in a .md file. Makes it easier. And we know with .md file it's easier for computers or these AI tools to read it. That also helps you save tokens. So I think this is something really good and great to obviously have and learn. And yes, I think Claude is going to become bigger and bigger and bigger, and I think new features are going to be added like this, a couple of more maybe down the line, and yeah. So I'm curious to see what you guys would actually be building. Comment below, and I would like to take a look at what you're building. Until then, next time, Pranav Automates.